sweeties. I'm here this afternoon, evening, very hot in Queensland for our unboxing 2. So second of our unboxing videos on our new YouTube channel, Popping Candy Shoes. Please like and subscribe. We want you to make sure you get all the latest information on new releases, which is what we're doing tonight, and as well as pop-up shops and sales and all the fun things that Popping Candy does. So here we go with the second unboxing. This is a brand new style for us, just arrived in this most recent shipment that just landed in our HQ, and the amazing Vanessa sent these up to me, also in my size, again, Fallen Angels. So this is a brand new slip-on shoe from Hot Chocolate Design, the Chocolaticas range, or Chocolaticas, depending on how you want to pronounce it. I believe it actually is Chocolaticas. I think I've been saying it wrong for the last 5.5 years. Oopsie. But let's get into this one and check it out. So remember, we're not opening from the top end. We don't want to worry about those rivets and that really hard to open milk carton top. We want to open it from the bottom. They've made it super duper easy for us, which is what we want. So let's check these beautiful things out. I have not seen these myself, so I'm very excited. And there goes that silica gel. That's always going to get me. Remember, don't eat it. Silica gel is not for food. It's to keep things dry. So don't eat it. Sounds yummy, not yummy. Do not eat this. Okay, 2 of those in every box. So we're going to take out the little paper sticks. These are recyclable, so please do recycle these when you take them out of your containers. They keep the shoes to keep their shape in transit, but you don't need to keep them necessarily. So, and the packing from the toes as well. Oh my goodness. Ah, you guys are gonna love these. Okay, so this is another monochromatic pair. Still fairly matchy, though I wouldn't call them an exact matchy match because the 2 Fallen Angels on the toes there are facing each other. But other than that, pretty much exactly the same pattern all the way around from what I can tell. So our beautiful angel there on his or her knees, praying for whatever you think that it might be praying for. And surrounded by death's head moths, which is not easy to say, especially when you're melting. Death's head moths and roses and stars. And then we've got this beautiful pattern around the back. I believe it is moth wings in a bit of a spiral fan shape pattern around the heel section of this shoe. So lots and lots and lots of detail, as always, from Hot Chocolate Design. Really gorgeous. These ones will fit the same as your collection 2. So if you have ombre or garden or the most recent iteration of Freak Show or any of the ones that just came out most recently, they will fit the same as that collection. If you have nerdy or tacos or the first iteration of Freak Show, then those ones were running a little bit more snug. So if you had to go up a size, you can go back to your normal with these here. So they're absolutely beautiful. It's a bit like line drawing. Really so gorgeous, you guys. Like, I hope you can really appreciate the incredible amount of work and detail that goes into these beautiful shoes. Every single pair has a story to tell. This one is particularly editorial, I think, with the Fallen Angel surrounded by these iconic sort of death's head moths and the roses and things like that. Really gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These are definitely coming home with me, 100%. And again, with this beautiful monochromatic color palette that we have here, while we do love our highly colorful Chocolaticas, we do love the monochrome as well because, of course, it matches everything. So you can pair these up with any outfit and they will look fantastic. Particularly so, I reckon, with maybe black jeans or a cute little black skirt and a nice colorful top. So these are available now in lady sizes from 5 to 12. They will be on our website very shortly. I will go and do that very soon, actually. So by the time you see this, they will be ready for purchase on poppingcandy.com.au, and we also have a handful of these for you all to try on at our pop-up shop at Winter Garden in the city in Brisbane for the next 10 days starting tomorrow. So we're 9 to 9 on Fridays. The rest of the week, I believe, Monday to Thursday is 9 to 5:30, and then Saturday 9 to 4, and Sunday 10 to 4. So please do make sure you come sometime in the next 10 days and visit us there if you're in the greater Vegas area. And if you're not, of course, the website's always there for you 24/7, poppingcandy.com.au. And please do like and subscribe, because then you'll get all of these awesome videos that we post. I hope they're awesome. I hope you guys enjoy them. I know I enjoy doing them. And yeah, thank you, big, huge thank you to Lorena Jean from Lorena Jean Retro for letting me use her dining room table to create this video, and the last one as well. And I do apologize for the schwitzing. It is sweltering up here, as I'm sure it is through much of the country. It's going to be a hot Christmas, guys, but I hope everybody stays safe. And we are thinking of anyone who's in a fire-related area. Fire-related area, it's not really the word I wanted to say, but you guys know what I mean. If you're affected at all by fires, please stay safe. Leave when they tell you to leave, and don't try to be a hero, guys. Protect yourselves and your families. We love you, love you, love you always and forever. And buy the shoes, yay! So Fallen Angels, available very soon at poppingcandy.com.au. We love you guys. Thanks heaps for watching, and like and subscribe. Bye!